This is a 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features and packages include the Premium Sound Package and alloy wheels. The following features are also included: an off-road package, dual power seats, cruise control, a premium sound system, dual airbags, air conditioning, full power accessories, stability control, running boards, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Thank you for considering Westfall Chevy for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. If you have any questions, visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 1425 West Ogden Avenue at the corner of Route 30 and Route 34 in Aurora. We look forward to serving you.